Good morning, math students. So this video is actually going to be pretty much the same for every Monday. And eventually I won't really need to post a video because it's going to be kind of an easy type of day for you guys. Okay. So whenever you guys come on Monday morning for your math class, you're going to come in and make sure that you check the updated Bitmoji on the top of your Google Classroom like this. Check here. Updated with Monday's videos and assignments. You're going to click over here, and that's actually what I have open now. Okay. Here's pre-algebra, algebra 1, and algebra 2. They look pretty similar. Okay. Make sure that you're obviously in the right class. Okay. And you're going to have an assignment that's going to be content-based, meaning it's going to be something that we have been doing from the week before. That's just kind of practice. So if we are learning maybe how to graph a parabola for algebra 2 or an equation of a line for algebra 1 or using GCF and LCM and pre-algebra, those are the skills that you're going to practice. Okay? You're also going to have some practice IXLs, which means that you're going to fill in some of the holes from your IXL diagnostic. Okay? And those might be different for each student. For this week, you're all going to use those same IXLs because it looks like some of you guys did not finish your Friday homework. Okay, so I'm going to show you what it looks like on my end. Okay, so if you notice on pre-algebra, you guys have factoring in equal parts. You only have 2 assignments, but algebra 1 and algebra 2, you guys are a little older. You guys have 3 assignments. So we have your algebra 1 IXL and then 2 different practices. Okay, algebra 2. You guys have your algebra 2 IXL and your 2 practices. And I have titled each one with the appropriate label. Okay, so I'm going to look at the algebra 1 assignment. So they're all going to link to the same IXL site. Don't forget that your username and password are down in the math resources if you get stuck. Or I can always help you with office hours, or you can text me and I can absolutely give you your password and username with your phone. That's totally fine. It should be review, okay? If you get stuck on the algebra 1, algebra 2 pre-algebra stuff that it is like a newer material, feel free to review some of the lessons, the videos from the week before. They're going to be posted the slide beforehand. So all these video links, those you can totally use. Okay, they're always going to be there. All right, so just for an example, I'm going to click this link. Add, subtract, multiply, divide. Okay, you're going to answer those questions, and you should be hitting 75 to 85%. Okay, don't stop until you get there, but if you have a really, really hard time after 20 minutes in each link, text me and I can help you and reteach or help you review. Okay, so again, pre-algebra, you guys are responsible for 2 IXL assignments. Algebra 1 and algebra 2, you guys are responsible for 3. Okay? Honestly, for the most part, the practice ones shouldn't take you any more than 10 minutes. The algebra 1 links might take you a little bit more, like 15 or 20 minutes. And again, if you are struggling after 20 minutes and you're not hitting 75, 85%, text me and we'll hook up later for office hours. All right, I want you guys to have a really awesome day, and I will see you guys on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on which class you are. All right, signing off.